Today we're going to be unboxing the Sage K10 wired mechanical gaming keyboard. The keys on this keyboard are black and they look stunning. We also have a nice silver metal backplate. On the bottom of this keyboard it has grips to stop it from slipping off the table, and it also has stands for if you like an elevated lift. Also there's a wire management clip on the side for if you're someone like me which hates getting wires everywhere and making a mess. As you can see, this keyboard has LED lights in a bright rainbow pattern. Now personally, I think these LEDs look incredible. The LED pattern can be changed by pressing function and 1 to 0, or function and insert. And then we've got a blue LED lighting up the Sage logo. For the price, this keyboard is fantastic. I would highly recommend buying it. If you're looking for a gaming keyboard, this is perfect. Also, if you're looking for a light up LED keyboard which looks really good and strong, this is the one for you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.